Good morning, dear students. Jai Swaminarayan. Today we are going to write down two more insect spelling. First, we had to mention the date, that is 21st 8 2021. CW. Give title insects. INSECTS insect. First spelling is of mosquito. Another spelling is of ladybird. Okay. So what is the spelling of mosquito? MOSQUITO. Mosquito. Okay, again MOSQUITO. Mosquito. Another is ladybird. 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 So we'll start writing with the spelling. So what is the spelling of mosquito? We'll write down MOSQUITO. 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 So like this way I have to write down, and you also have to write down full page of the spelling of mosquito. Now we will start the spelling of ladybird. What is the spelling of ladybird? LADYBIRD. 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 So like this way I have written full lines. Okay, so same way you have to write down in your notebook with the full lines of the spellings. Thank you. Jai Swaminarayan.